This is Paul Bonner, Assistant Service Manager at Conicelli Hyundai. Spring is in the air, and it's time to give your car some love. Don't get caught with a dead battery this spring. Make sure to have it checked by the experts here at Conicelli Hyundai. Remember, regular battery checks can help you avoid unexpected failures and keep your vehicle running reliable all year long. Get charged up this spring with a special offer from Conicelli Hyundai. For a limited time, we're offering a complimentary battery check, and if you need one, no problem. We're giving an extra 10% discount for you on all installed batteries. By the way, Hyundai offers an extra 4-year unlimited mile pro-rata warranty on all their battery replacements. That's the best warranty in the industry. So don't let the battery leave you stranded. Take advantage of this deal today to keep your car running smoothly and save some cash. Spring into action and schedule your battery check today at ConicelliService.com or simply give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.